Follow up promptly after service to turn a one-time pest control visit into a lasting customer relationship. Call or email within 48 hours to confirm the problem was resolved and to ask if any signs have returned. When you speak, use a checklist of questions so you cover the treated areas, any new sightings, and whether the customer followed pre-visit instructions. If you use email, include step-by-step tips customers can act on immediately, such as sealing gaps with caulk, storing food in airtight containers, and removing clutter that shelters pests. Send a short satisfaction survey of no more than 5 clear questions that can be answered in under 2 minutes and include one open field for comments. Offer to schedule a follow-up visit or a regular maintenance plan and give precise timing options like 2 weeks, 1 month, or 3 months so customers can choose what fits their needs. Always log the call or message details in the customer record so future technicians know what was discussed and what actions were promised. Many companies delay contact and lose momentum, so set a policy to reach out within 48 hours and stick to it. Some teams ask too many questions or use jargon which frustrates customers, so keep language simple and action-oriented and avoid technical terms. Another common mistake is failing to offer clear next steps, so always close the interaction with at least one concrete option, such as a checklist of do-it-yourself prevention steps or an offer to return on a specific date. We help homeowners connect with local contractors and find real experiences from other users to guide their decisions. Our community discussion boards let customers and contractors exchange practical tips, ask follow-up questions, and build ongoing relationships with each other.